Breaking stories, real reactions, Haulin Headlines, live from the road.
We have a Haulin Headlines exclusive. Here's Larry in the cab to give us those details.
Thank you, Karen. Yes, hi guys. There has been a terrible accident near the Washbuck Parkway. A fire truck along with a delivery box truck has been in a very terrible accident. You have a couple cars that are built up in the blue pickup truck you see there. Well, the woman all by herself. Now, this is a very, very terrible, terrible accident, as you guys can see. But what else is new in San Antonio, where there's accidents every single day? But great news to come from this, nobody died. There are some people in the hospital, but hey, nobody died. And that is what truly matters. All right, next story. We have a really bad built-up on the I-95 in Florida, where a semi-trailer failed to stop in time for up-ahead traffic and collided and caused a chain reaction and got everyone a goddamn on accident. I tell you, I don't know what's up with these brand new truck drivers and who are giving their CDLs, but I tell you, they are absolutely terrible. And this is the thing, this could have been prevented if there's aim high steering. And all right, next in, as you guys can tell, in Oklahoma, there has been a very bad fire set in a semi-trailer at a parking spot in Oklahoma, if that actually exists. Now, how the fire started, we do not know, but I'm pretty sure it's an insurance scam. But hey, maybe it is, maybe it's not. But everything happens weirdly at truck stops, which is the reason why people, especially over-the-road truck drivers, it is probably best for them to go and rest at a rest area versus a truck stop. So all you truckers out there trucking over the road, please, oh please be careful. Oh my God. All right guys, for our final breaking news of the day. This gentleman strolling down the street in a calmly looking neighborhood. Received terrible lacerations to his stomach. Now, the man is definitely blessed by God for the sake that did not impale him in his stomach. But man, oh man, I tell you what, he's going to feel that presently, in the morning, and hell, even in 20 more years. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Larry in the cab. So next time, out.